likes rainbow stuff that much, then Granny will make rainbow cookies with a secret ingredient. Whip 2 eggs and 3 ounces of sugar. Put in 3½ ounces of soft butter. Add a pinch of salt and 9 ounces of flour mixed with a tablespoon of baking powder. Knead the dough quickly. Split it into parts and add food coloring into each. Pinch pieces of dough and put it onto plastic wrap. Wrap it up to shape a sausage. Let it cure in a fridge for 30 minutes. At last, the dough is ready. Granny cuts it like a pro. She sprinkles a baking tray with flour like a real chef. Although she gets some in her sleeve, but that's all right. And now it's time for a secret ingredient. Granny decorates some cookie dough with sweet M&Ms and some with sour Skittles. Granny loves sweet candies too. M&Ms. Oops, I've gotten carried away. I need it for the cookies. Let the prank work. It's time for a picnic. The unicorn is over the moon. Be careful, don't bump into Granny. And Granny has a treat. The cookies smell so sweet. The unicorn comes up at once to smell the cookies. They look tasty. Wait, I'll give you some. Granny chooses a sour Skittles cookie. The unicorn bites it off and changes its face expression right away. Unicorns are very sensitive to sour food, and Granny takes a sweet M&M's cookie for herself. The unicorns made a gift for Granny as well. It's so cute, except that this gift is not regular. It's alive. Record a sound of nail scraping on a desk with your phone. Then a sound of knocking in 2 seconds. Then record a piercing scream. Save the recording. Fill a box with fabric and put your phone on top. Wrap it nicely and attach a bow. Granny listens to the strange sounds coming out of the box. There is no one around, and there are demons screeching inside the box. What kind of gift is hidden in there? You never know what to expect from the unicorn. I'd better leave this gift on the bench. Granny is tired. I will make her look a bit more outstanding while she's sleeping. I take colorful eyeshadow and do her rainbow makeup. This will remind her of her youth. Let's apply vertical stripes. Oh, these are rainbow tears. And I'll dye her hair too. Granny will certainly like this technique. Green covers her gray hair nicely. And don't forget pink cheeks. But that's not finished yet. I'll color Granny's teeth with food coloring. That's all for now. Wake up, Sleeping Beauty. Granny sees her reflection in a mirror. She looks at least 50 years younger. But she's not excited about her new image. The unicorn will not get away with it. Granny can terrify you too. Let's arrange a haunted attraction. We will need LED string lights and a white sheet. Granny wraps the string lights around herself. She looks like an antique Christmas tree. The unicorn rushes into the living room once the light is off. Oh, darling, it's so horrifying. A flashing ghost? It's the most terrifying mystical creature. The unicorn passes out. Keep calm. It's just Granny terrifying her guest. Freshen up and come around. The unicorn wants to run away, but Granny has set traps everywhere. Cut bright paper and wrapping foil into confetti. Cut the bottom out of a cardboard box. Put in the confetti. Attach a rope to a piece of paper that is of the same size as the bottom of the box. Cover the bottom with the paper. Tape the sides. Attach the other end of the rope to a door. The unicorn opens the door, and a whole box of confetti falls onto its head. A carnival surprise from Granny. The unicorn has a small present ready for Granny. A cute little man made from colorful worms. Stick 2 toothpicks into an extruded polystyrene foam base. Cover them with food foil. Shape legs. Hot glue 2 more toothpicks on top at an angle. Wrap them with the foil. Make a triangular body frame out of the toothpicks and bamboo sticks. Cover the frame with foil. Roll the foil into a ball to make a head and attach hands. Attach colorful gummy worms to the man's body. Use gelatin soaked in water. Granny sees her new guest. She doesn't like the new companion. It's a bit spooky, but the unicorn calms her down. These are just sweet gummy candies. If you don't like the colorful man that much, you can eat it. Granny likes the idea, because she adores candies. And finally, she likes the unicorn. Did you enjoy the new pranks? Then write in your comments which prank you liked the most, Granny's or the ones from the unicorn. And don't forget to give your thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so that you don't miss new unicorn videos on the Troom Troom channel.